Hello, my name is Benjamin from the Smoke Factory and we are here at the ISE 2025. I want to show you our low-lying machine, low fog machine, the carpet crawler. It uses CO2 for cooling, so we have a 3 kilowatt machine in the back and CO2 bottles with a siphon. You have 3 channels. First channel is the fog output, second channel is the air, and the third channel is the CO2 consumption. So you have a very individual low fog you can use. So with the air you can control these doors to add a bit more air sucked in the fog. And if you use it, you always have to use the hose. This is our cooling and the way where the fog cools down and relaxes a bit, so it comes out very smooth. So we have now 40% fog output, 0% air and CO2 on the smallest stage, so 1 kilo per minute. And we can also add more CO2 to have a lower fog, so it stays down longer, and perfect for big stages. We have them at like Ehrlich Brothers and some musicals already in use. So if you want to have more information, visit smoke-factory.de.